Today I'm checking out the Lectric XP Lite 2.0. It's a 20-inch e-bike, very lightweight with some great features. Next to the XP step through, the frame of the XP Lite 2.0 looks a little smaller, but honestly, the handlebars and seat are adjustable to the same height. The aluminum frame helps keep the overall weight to just 49 pounds, which is incredibly light by e-bike standards, but that includes the 7-pound battery. As a Class 2 e-bike, you get a top speed of 20 miles an hour and a maximum range of 45 miles. The rear hub motor puts out 819 peak watts of power, or 300 watts continuous, but the biggest benefit for me on this bike is the fact that it's belt driven. It has a carbon fiber reinforced belt, which just makes the drivetrain so smooth and quiet. Now the plus minus on that, there's no derailleur to mess with, so if you like simple, this is definitely your model. But I was actually surprised you can go up to 20 miles an hour and you don't feel like you're ghost pedaling, so maybe it doesn't miss that derailleur at all. And I sure like the looks of that 70-tooth chainring. Do we still call it a chainring if it's belt driven? I don't know. There's a 275-pound total payload rating on this and a rider height range from 4'8" up to 6'2". Now I don't always agree on the manufacturer's height rating, but on this one I think it's spot on. Seat height range is from 32 to 42 inches, just like the XP 3.0, and reach on this one is between 19 and 20.5 inches, depending on your seat height. Another feature I was freaking out about, in addition to that belt-driven system, is the BMX-style bars. This really takes me back. I like the look and the feel of BMX-style bars. It raises up the overall riding position. Plus, with a simple adjustment, you can drastically change your reach. So this will never feel like it's too long of a bike for you. A very comfortable upgrade. Full color display, 5 levels of assist. Now we're talking. Half twist throttle and really comfortable ergonomic grips. On electric bikes, you long press the plus button to turn on the headlight. Pretty bright for its compact size. That also brings on the integrated tail light, which is great for evening riding. This one comes with Lectric's basic saddle, and to be honest, I'm not a big fan of this. If you like to ride long distances, it's not the most comfortable, but it would be an easy swap out if you wanted to upgrade to the comfort package. That one has a larger and more comfortable seat, plus a suspension seat post. Well, I'm not sure if it's the smooth tread on those 20 by 2.5 inch hippo skin tires or the belt drive that make this bike just so smooth to ride, but it really is enjoyable. Well, I've had a number of 20-inch folding e-bikes, and the brakes on this one are a massive upgrade compared to other brands. You get full hydraulic brakes, front and back, plus 180mm rotors. And that makes all the difference when you need to stop in a hurry. And because both the stem and the frame fold up, this will fit into just about any car or small SUV. What is that little thing? You can slide out the 48-volt battery if you want, or just charge it right in the bike. And it's crazy light. So if you're in the market for a 20-inch e-bike and you like the thought of it being foldable, not just the stem, but the frame folds in half so it'll easily fit in just about any SUV. If those are important factors to you, plus the lightweight, consider the Lectric XP Lite 2.0.